Good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today is day three. It's really day 2, and this will probably be the last time that I mention this correction. This is really day 2 of doing any of the construction. Day 1 was really talking and moving the Bahay Kubo. But again, that is the last time we're going to say that. So today is day 3. We're going to call it day 3 and consecutive from here on out. This morning, the contractor that's doing all of the masonry work for the slab, he is here, and he's a very hands-on person. And his name is Romeo, and he is the owner of Caribbean Construction. And again, Caribbean Construction is the one that is doing the project across the street. Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and follow what's being done this morning. We'll get into today's project plan, the project management in just a moment. So let's go ahead and get today started. And without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Now, as you can see, yesterday we got a lot of rain, so they came in this morning and they're just picking up where they left off yesterday, which is digging. Still getting everything kind of straight, making sure they're adding some additional lines inside here. Basically moving the lines that were on the inside, they're moving it on the outside so they have more working room on the inside without any type of obstruction. That's pretty much what they're doing here this morning. We'll just keep an eye. We'll keep an eye on what they're doing. Maybe we'll do a little bit of time-lapse video. Alright, so I'm getting off of the time lapse because I just want to show you what's happening now. Formwork. This is formwork, and this is the necessary thing that you would do on any type of a slab that you're putting down. And they're just going to outline the border, and this will hold the concrete. Once they mix the concrete, they start pouring it. They'll make sure that it doesn't run over into the grass. This will be the foundation or the actual squareness of the concrete that's going to go inside here. I got to show you what they did this morning. You could see from the time lapse they were focusing most of their effort in these spots right here, because these are going to be the footer support. Now, this is not a house, this is just a pavilion, and the pavilion, although it is some of the similarities to doing a foundation to a house, you do a little bit less because you don't need all the things like you would not need like floor beams. You don't need that inside an outdoor pavilion because all the weight is really going on 4 spots, the 4 corners. There'll be another spot in the ground that'll be dug there. Here, they've already dug it. They're working on the one over there. And then they'll finish up again, like I said, the one over there. So there'll be 4. That's where all the weight of, because we only have 4 posts that hold up the roof because it's open. It's just an open air pavilion is what it is. So that's what they're working on right now. You're probably wondering, why are they digging the hole so deep on each one of those footers? Well, just remember, the footer is what is going to hold most of the weight. It's the load bearing on this entire pavilion project right here. And what it has to do in that area, it has to be able to provide support for this right here. This is a post base. And what this is for, this is that 6x6 post that's going on there. It's going to fit in between here, being secured with the 2 bolts that go through this area right here. It's going to be embedded inside the concrete from this point right here where the post is going to sit right on here, straight up. And this is going to be embedded inside the concrete. So it has to go at a minimum the depth of this right here and just a little bit below, so we have coverage. We have coverage over all of this galvanized steel support base. Well, hop on. I don't think you want to go out there. Come back in. Come back in. Hop on. Back in. Come on. Back inside. You staying out there? Come on. Well, I think we're gonna cut today's episode short right here. Oh my goodness. We are in the middle of a really big. Every single day we seem to have this cycle. A cycle of storms every single day at about the same time, right around 4:30. We have these really big lightning and thunderstorms. I think that's from the heat during the daytime. Has something to do with the atmospheric conditions. And then, just a minute, I'm closing the video for today. Hold on. Okay, Jess, just leave it underneath. It's okay. You can leave it underneath. That's okay. I unplugged. Yeah, I already unplugged. It's unplugged. Okay, okay. That's the guys letting us know that they are leaving today. So this is the end of today's episode. The guys actually got a lot of work done. They got the holes done. Oh, yeah, hold on. Yeah, I need that. All right, well, the workers just decided they know they're not gonna be able to get any more work in today. So they are gone. Again, I think I was closing by saying what they had done back there, and we won't walk back there. But what you can see is we have some gravel on the ground, and that's for the drainage underneath the slab once they put down the concrete. They had all the holes except for the 2 small holes that need to be done. They need 2 smaller ones for additional posts that we have inside the back, and we'll talk about that again a little bit later on. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go inside. I don't like standing out here with all this lightning and thunder. It's kind of creepy. Well, anyway, until the next episode, if you enjoyed today's episode, please give me a thumbs up. Please share it. If you have not subscribed, just click on that little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. And if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, from rainy Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.